YouTube gang. Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. It's been 50 years since I last posted a video, which was like 3 weeks ago, almost a month, but here we are. Thank you for being patient with me. And yeah, so in today's video we are just gonna take you through our day-to-day life. It's the weekend. I have a few hours off baby duty. My amazing husband is taking care of our child, so I have a few hours to myself, and I just want to have a self-care day, do some chores around the house, and then maybe we can go for a walk later as a family. So I hope you enjoy this video. Hello, say hi to YouTube. She smiled a few seconds ago. Now she's acting like she doesn't know me. Okay. This is our beautiful baby girl. Aww. Welcome to YouTube. Say hi, boo.
Hello.
How's fatherhood taking you so far?
How do I look?
You just look like you have a beard, that's all.
Yeah. Well, yeah, no, it's great. It's getting better. The beginning is kind of crazy.
Yeah, but we're managing now.
Trying to.
Yeah, we're doing much better. So that's why we're back on YouTube. This is my cute little family. This is the reason why we don't sleep. This is a culprit. The reason why we stopped sleeping. But we love her so much. Yay! So I've just washed my face, nice and clean, and now I want a mask since today is self-care day. So this is what I use. The clay mask. It's turmeric. Yeah, it's for acne, anti-acne repair. Yeah, turmeric. So this is how it looks like. The only time I get to do like self-care, any masking, things like that, is during the weekends, because that's when my husband is home and he's able to have the baby for a couple of hours so that I can have some personal time. So yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday. We're at home just chilling. The weather is not the best, but of course that's expected because we live in England, and the weather in England is shit. It's not the best. Plus it's March, so we're like at the end of winter, beginning of spring, so things will get better with time. The days will be longer. The sunsets will be like at 8 p.m. and eventually 10 p.m. during the summer. So that's what we're waiting for. For now, we have to persevere with this horrible British weather. But yeah, we're gonna have the mask on for like 15 minutes, wash it off, and then moisturize, and then oil. Yeah, I need to oil my scalp, take care of my hair. Yeah, that's my version of self-care. There's only so much I can do because I have a baby and only a few hours left to myself, and within those hours I have to make sure I take care of myself. I have to do house chores, and I also have to rest. So priorities.
A few hours later.
Hey guys, so it is now around 5 p.m. and I am going on a walk with my baby girl. We're just gonna go for about an hour or so and just check out the neighborhood, and it's a great way for her to have a nap. So this is where we're at, and yeah, just gonna go for a short walk and let the baby sleep as I get some fresh air and just, you know, breathe. Someone's already sleeping. Oh, look at her, my precious baby. So it is nighttime and we are just watching Daddy make us some dinner. He's making the meals that we're going to be eating throughout the week because that's how we survive. Daddy meal preps so that mommy doesn't have to worry about what she's going to eat while she takes care of this one. So let's show you what we are cooking for the week.
Stuff from
Wait.
scratch and
Sorry. Okay, what are you cooking for us, chef?
yeah, so it's a mix of making stuff from scratch and some pre-prepared stuff. So one is like meant to be pretty easy. Just I got some already baked peri peri chicken, and that will be paired with these roasted potatoes, which just have to be thrown in, and then sweet corn, which will also be baked in the oven, and then it'll be really easy to reheat. Then making a Korean barbecue rice bowl with beef, which will be this stuff. And then
So we are waiting for Daddy to make all the meals for the week, and I'm just taking care of baby until I have to put her down to bed, which is in like 20 minutes. So yeah, that's usually just our weekend routine. And yeah. it's now bedtime. I have to put this little lady to bed. Say goodnight to Daddy. Daddy, say goodnight.
Good night. Good night, little one.
Alright, let's get you to bed. Hey guys, so it is now the next day and I realized that I didn't end the video, so this is us saying goodbye and thank you for watching our little video. Say bye, Althea. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.